Are you tired of traditional savings accounts that offer peanuts for interest? Do you wish there was a more exciting and potentially rewarding way to grow your money without feeling like you're locking it away forever? If you've been exploring different financial apps, you've probably stumbled upon Raiz and wondered, can I actually use this as my primary savings account? For years, the go-to advice for saving has been open a savings account, set up a direct debit, and forget about it. And while that's solid advice for building a foundational emergency fund, it often leaves people feeling uninspired by their financial growth. We live in a world where technology is transforming every aspect of our lives, so why should our savings be stuck in the Stone Age? This is where Raiz steps in. It's not your grandma's savings account. It's an investment app that allows you to invest your spare change, make recurring investments, and even set up lump sum deposits into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The genius of Raiz lies in its simplicity and accessibility, making investing less intimidating for the everyday person. You're not picking individual stocks, you're investing in pre-built portfolios designed to match different risk profiles. So, back to the big question. Can Raiz replace your traditional savings account? The answer is nuanced, but let's break it down. First, let's talk about accessibility. Traditional savings accounts offer instant access to your funds. Need to pay an unexpected bill? Transfer money, and it's there. With Raiz, while you can withdraw your money at any time, it's important to remember that you're investing. This means your money is held in investments, and it typically takes a few business days for your funds to sell and be transferred back to your linked bank account. This slight delay might not be ideal for money you need to access immediately for daily expenses or emergencies. Next, consider risk. A traditional savings account, especially one in a reputable bank, is generally considered very low risk. Your principal is protected, and you earn a fixed interest rate, no matter how small. Raiz, on the other hand, involves investment risk. The value of your investments can go up and down. While historically, diversified portfolios tend to grow over the long term, there's always a possibility that your investments could be worth less than what you put in, especially in the short term. This makes it less suitable for funds you absolutely cannot afford to lose or need within a very short time frame. However, where Raiz truly shines is in its growth potential. The interest rates on most savings accounts are barely keeping pace with inflation, meaning your money is effectively losing purchasing power over time. With Raiz, your money has the potential to grow significantly more than in a traditional savings account, thanks to the power of compound returns from your investments. This makes it an excellent tool for long-term savings goals like a house deposit, retirement, or even just building general wealth. Therefore, while Raiz might not be the perfect substitute for your emergency fund, where immediate access and capital preservation are key, it can be an incredibly powerful tool for other savings goals. Think of it as a growth savings account. For money you're looking to grow over several years, or even decades, and you're comfortable with some market fluctuations, Raiz offers a compelling alternative to the stagnant returns of traditional savings. It encourages you to think like an investor, even with small amounts, and that mindset shift can be incredibly beneficial for your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.